Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of Isita the Enemy. Unfortunately for us, Aisha, uhambile umuntu wethu. Yes, uhambile umuntu wethu, uhambile uBanzi. Looks like Ulanga succeeded and uBanzi is no more. Now, baya bayombona umuntu wakhe nabochuma and stuff. They find the room tense and she's asking Uneli what's wrong with Ubanzi, and they're like, Ubanzi uhambile, and they're like, no, but he's here. Uhambile uyephi, So they had to explain ukuthi he is no more. Now the sad part is Ubanzi has been staying with Uneli for years, but now that he is deceased, they want his immediate family because they were not legally married as yet, which became a problem because that meant ukuthi Uneli would have to bow to other people's decisions to bury umuntu wakhe, and they lived together. She's the one that understands ukuthi kahle kahle what must be done, what would Ubanzi love to have. With that said, I think ukuthi Ulanga uyacelebrate. Ulanga is happy. Ulanga sees his success because to him, this is a lesson to those that betray him to say, betray me once, this will happen to you. Now, my question is, where's the money? Where is the money? Where's the money? Umalume again, I decided to go back kamaThediso ayoqosha uPoniponi. Ati Poniponi haka matorokisi, you cannot be here. Remember, Umalume did not want to stay in uMaThediso because usabukuthi umphakathi uzothi uSparmakoti. Now, because uPoniponi was there, he said, I would rather be called Sparmakoti day in, day out, but I will never allow anybody to enter my house, anybody to take umuntu. So uMaThediso no longer a relationship yabo right. My fear now is baby mama kaSolomsi is connecting with the baby that is originally her baby, but she doesn't know, right? Connecting with the baby, babysitting the baby, doing everything. And Uzand is like, no man connect this baby is mine, and no one is going to take this baby away from me. Wajela na mom Rebecca, even you do not have the power to take this child away from me. Now, I wonder when or how long will it take for everybody to know the truth, right? And when uSolomzi finds out to go to umama betrayal with the baby, what will happen? Will uSolomzi go back to Gasokhulu, or what will be the whole thing now? Because I'm like worried. But yeah, that's what's happening. Umuntu bonda nomntwanakhe angazi ukuthi lo umntwanakhe.